In the last year, we have learned about what if we landed on K2-141b. So, if K2-141b vaporizes its own surface from extreme heat, then the next world is demolished by the outside. So, once imagine the sun, not the source of life. K2-141b vaporizes its own surface from the extreme cold of its night side surface temperature. But actually, the next world we are exploring is demolished by an outside. Now, this world terrifies scientists and is given the nickname the Death Planet. Death worlds like Trace-2b and 55 Cancri E are the most dangerous planets in our universe. But now, once imagine the sun not as the source of life, but as a hungry monster, stripping all of Earth's material, and the Earth forms a comet-like tail. This method is same happening just 1200 light years away in the system of WASP-12, where there is a yellow dwarf star named WASP-12 and a planet named WASP-12b. Like PSR J2322-2650b, WASP-12b is in X shape but not 11. But WASP-12b also shares why it is X shape, like PSR J2322-2650b being a lemon shape. WASP-12b is a X-shaped planet because from the intense gravity of its nearby star. Yes, it is just orbiting 2 million miles away from its yellow dwarf star, WASP-12. The WASP-12 gravity is so dangerous that it is literally stretching the planet, and its atmosphere is going to be stripped away. And when it is losing its atmosphere, a heavy comet-like tail forms around the planet and drifts. WASP-12b takes 26 hours to complete one revolution around its star. Now, WASP-12b is not just an X shape, but it is also pitch black, reflecting less than 97% of light that hits it. And it also reflects more like Trace-2b. It also reflects 6% or less light than it receives. That's why WASP-12b is pitch black. But the star is essentially siphoning gas from this planet. Imagine a great pyramid of Giza. Now imagine thousands of them. Each of this mass is pulled around the star. The WASP-12b surface temperature has a blistering 2500 degrees Celsius, and it is losing its atmosphere at a rate of 189 quadrillion tons. But what happens if you go inside the planet?
Approaching the anomaly.
In the day side, it would be pitch black, but in the night side, it would still allow some water vapors to form, making the atmosphere and clouds of WASP-12b look deep glowing red because of the intense heat. Now, when you jump on WASP-12b atmosphere, then the air is hot, visibility pours up, it is surrounded by dense fog glowing in a reddish light. But still, the conditions get much more violent. But actually, you are not in a normal astronaut suit. You are in a specialized astronaut suit, more specialized than K2-141b's astronaut suit, because WASP-12b also possesses more extreme danger. But then something happens strange. Even if your protective suit keeps protecting you, your glass breaks. Suddenly, extreme winds throw you in every direction. Then the intense gravity might stretch you a little bit. The intense gravity of its star is so violent that your body will be stretched and elongated. Not like an astronaut getting stretched into a black hole, but more than enough like a sci-fi movies. But actually, you will burn on the planet. You will vaporize completely. You will be burned to death. And you also feel intense radiations from nearby star. Then you melt into the atmosphere, vaporizes, burn and die. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time, guys.